So in this video, we are going to complete another lab, which is creating a virtual machine. So go with this. For better understanding about what is this lab and what we are going to do in this lab, so go with this video so you can understand better. Let's start the lab. Open in incognito tab. Let's see what we have to do in this lab. We have already logged in. So first of all, we have to open our Cloud Shell. So here instructed that we have to activate our Cloud Shell. Okay. So firstly, this is called Cloud Shell, and when we click in this, our Cloud Shell is opened. Okay. This is called navigation menu, where all the resources in the Google Cloud have listed. So click on continue. I think there is some network issue. So all this we have done. Here is instructed that to see which account we are using and what are the projects are we are using. So using this command we can see that. Okay. So just copy and paste this. Authorize. Okay. When we run upper command, we can see this is this type of example output, and go ahead. Here it is similar to output which is given in the example output. Okay, I paste the next code, and here we can see that we are using this project ID. Okay, this command is used for see the which project ID is we are using. Okay, so this part is completed. Okay, so read all this and understand what is region, what is zone. So Now we can go for with task 1. Here is mentioned that we have to create one compute engine instance and Nginx servers in your instance with necessary firewall rules. Okay. And one more task is create a new instance with gcloud. It means cloud console, cloud shell. Okay. So first of all, we are creating one compute engine instance with Google Cloud Console. Okay. So here is mentioned that first of all in the Cloud Console we go into navigation menu, then compute engine VM instance. Okay. So let's go. Minimize this terminal. Go to navigation menu. Here you can see that compute instance. In this you can see that VM instance, and we have instructed to go in this. Okay. Then click create, because we have to create one VM instance as our task 1 from Google Cloud Console. Okay. All the necessary parameters we have to put on that console. Here is given. Okay. So just see all this and fill one by one carefully. Okay. Like in the VM instance, we have name. I think there is some network issue. Just a minute. Okay. Here is mentioned this mentioned that name is GC lab. Name your instance. So I'm just copying this. And this is name instance 1, but I have to change it to GC lab. Okay, because we have instructed that. So let's see what are the things given. Reason we have to select US Central 1 Loa, and so we select US Central 1 C. Okay. Let's see. Here is reason is perfect US Central 1 Loa, but zone is selected US Central 1 A, but we have to select US Central 1 C. Okay. Let's go ahead. Here is mentioned that series is N1 type and machine type is 2V CPUs, that is N1 standard 2 type of machine. Okay. So we have to select this. So go with this. Here is series E2, but we have instructed to select N1. Okay. So we select N1. Okay. Then machine type is N1 standard 2. Okay. Not. So here is second option, which is N1 standard 2. Okay. So we fill this. Okay, let's move ahead and see what are the things. In the boot disk, we have to select 10 GB standard persistent disk OS, image Debian Linux 10 buster. Okay. So let's select that one also. Okay. Here is given 10 GB standard persistent disk Debian GNU Linux 10 buster. So already it is filled, so we don't have to change it. Okay. Now see what is ahead. Okay. Here is mentioned that firewall allow HTTP. Okay. So for this, just we have to select, check this allow HTTP traffic, then click create. And after a few seconds, you can see that you have created one Linux system in your Google Cloud Console. cut the tutorial, close. Just a minute, it is creating. Here is also you can see that uh, your status of what you are doing. So here is green tick marked. So our Linux system in the Google Cloud is now created, and we can access this from everywhere in the world. Okay, from everywhere in the world. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. So here is instructed that we use SSH to connect the virtual machine, and so let's click on SSH. Okay, so here is SSH. Just click in this. Okay, our now we are in the Linux system, which is we have just created. Let's see what are the things to add. Okay, so after your SSH your Linux system, in the SSH terminal you get root access and run the following command. So I'm just copying and paste this, but understand what these commands are doing. Okay, so this is called SSH terminal. Okay, okay, I am in the GC lab root with root access. I am in the GC lab, our virtual machine. Okay, so go and update our system, Linux system. All these commands we are using in the basic Linux practicals. So maybe chances you can understand all these things, what we are going to do. Okay. Here is the expected output, and we get the same. Okay. Now we have instructed that in the task that we have to install one Nginx server. Okay, so now we are going to install our Nginx server. Okay, okay, our Nginx is installed. Now see it is running or not. So okay, our Nginx is up and running. Okay, this is the accepted output, and it is same as that of our. So here is instructed that return to the Google Cloud Console and hit the hit the external IP address. Okay, then we see that this type of output. Okay, so let's go. This is our Cloud Console, and this is the external IP. So I'm just click on this, and here is go. Welcome to Nginx, and this is the same output that is given in the example output in the guide. Right. So let's go. So I have completed all tasks. So check my progress. Click on this, and we have one green tick. And here is we got 50 marks. Okay. Here is also okay. Assessment completed. Okay. So let's move forward. Create a new instance. Until we are creating a virtual machine with the help of Google Cloud Console, uh, this is take some time that we are putting everything like name, like a reason, like machine type, all these things one by one. So it takes some time, but when we creating our virtual machine with the help of Google Cloud Cell, Google Cloud Cell, so this is very easy that from one command only we create whole thing just in just a 1 second. Okay, so just copy this command. Okay, and here you see one VM instance is created, but after this command, here is mentioning two virtual machines, okay, with the same configurations. So maximize the Cloud Cell. I'm copying this command and just paste. In this command, we are mentioned that G Cloud Compute Instance create GC Lab 2. Name is GC Lab 2. Machine type is N1 Standard 2, and the zone is US Central 1C. As we fill for this GC Lab also. Okay. So after 1 minute, we have create another. Here we go. GC Lab 2, US Central C1, and all these things. And when I refresh this page, okay, 1 minute. Down, go it again. Go in the GC Compute Engine. Here is we have created two virtual machines. Okay, so now check my progress. I have completed or not. So here is green tick, and here is mentioned that I have earned 100 points. So you have to earn 100 points to finish each and every lab. After this, you have to check your knowledge and test. Okay. So now go with another part of the lab and do